Y'all know what time it is. Boy, that sun is out. It's shining on me good. Yesterday, it was like in the 70s or the upper 60s. It was, if it went 70, it was up there. Today it's supposed to be like 58, 59, close to 60. Right now it's like 40 something degrees. But I'm gonna get it in today. The water is pretty much calm. See what I can do. The target today is crappie and bluegill. Anything else is just a bonus. But y'all see I'm at my spot today. The water looking clear. So let's get to fishing. I might start right here. I'm about to show y'all how clear this water look. I forgot my glasses today. My Coaster glasses, I forgot them. But I do got some spider wire glasses that I got from Walmart in my bag. But we gonna see what happens. That water is looking good and clear right now. Let's see if we can get us some crappie or whatever we can get on, man. I don't see no fish though. They hiding. P said, I don't think the fish gonna bite. Well, I'm out here and we gonna see. I'm out here. Let's get it. All right, first cast out on my crappie rod. I got a monkey milk jig on there. Just that crappie thunder. Let's see what we can get into today. Yep, had my first hit. Had my first hit, missed it. Got him. Did I get him that time? I think I got something on there. I do. Here, little dude. It's a little one. Got one though. Little one. There we go. Got one crappie. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off. Damn. Huh? I just got a crappie, but it came off. As soon as I got it to the bank, it came off of there.
So Bob over here, if you go over there, the guy on the dock out there, he kills the crappie on those docks over there.
Yeah, I tried to go over there, man, but they the DNR came and kicked me out.
Did they really?
Yeah. I tried to fish along the bank right there along this dock.
Yeah, Bob just does a jig. And
yeah, that's what I got on here, a jig. But man, if I
fighting, he's always pulling big ones out.
Yeah, man, I wish I want to go over there, but I don't want to deal with that DNR.
Yell at Bob.
Yep, Bob.
Yeah, he's the guy standing on those piers.
Oh, he over there now?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to go holler at Bob. Oh, I got something right now. Oh, we got something right now. I got one. Oh, that's a yellow bass.
Bob's getting them like that over there.
Oh man, I need to go talk to him. All right, thank you. Look at that yellow bass, y'all. That's one. I don't want that. He was nice though. That ain't what I want. I'm about to go see what they talking about, Bob. Let's see what they talking about with Bob over here, y'all. Hold on. See what Bob over here talking about. Yo, Bob. Now I was talking to one of your buddies out here, man. I was talking to one of your buddies out here. He told me come holler at you. What? I was over there fishing on the dock, and a guy walked past. He said, "Man, talk to Bob. He over there catching good." Huh? Who was it? I don't know. Some guy and his wife walked past. Is like, he said, "What you catching?" I said, "I'm trying to catch some crappie." He said, "Bob over there killing them. Go talk to Bob." Huh? No, it was him and his wife was walking. He don't want to let me in. He don't want to f the spot up. Got one. Got one. Finally. Crappie. Crappie number one. First crappie. Right there. First crappie of the day. Put him in my bag. Put him on that ice pack. Actually, I got this string. Put him on this string. There we go. Got another one. Another crappie. There we go. Another crappie. Here we go. Go another one. Yes, sir. Go another, boy. We're catching them. Bob didn't want to let us on the dock over there. That's all right. Because guess what? I'm getting them right here. I'm getting them right here. I don't need your dock, Bob. You feel me? I don't need to get on the boss man deck, Bob. I don't need to get on the boat, dock. Catch him. Go another one. Ah, that's a bluegill. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. I should have kept it, for real. Uh-oh, boom, got another one. Oh, they right here. They right here. Come on. Go number 4. Crappie number 4. Back to back. Yep. Damn. Here we go. Another one. Woo! We own them. I'm gonna throw this one back. He's too little. He gotta go back. Tell your mom and daddy now. Come holler at me. You too little. Little one. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got something. I got one. Yes, sir. Got something. What is that? Yellow bass. Yellow bass. That's what y'all told me that's called. I say stripe, but y'all can say it. Y'all say yellow. Here we go. Little crappie. There we go. There's the crappie. Yes, sir. Got them slabs today. Today was a good day, man. I caught plenty of crappie. I caught a lot of them yellow bass today too. I call them striped, but I got somebody in the comment that's been correcting me. Yellow bass. I caught some yellow bass, and I caught some bluegill today. The messed up part about today was the camera was acting a fool, man. It wasn't trying to let me be great. And the thing about it is, I had it on my power bank charging. Well, I thought it was charging. The reason why I say I thought it was charging because even when the camera was off, the red light that let me know power is getting to it was on. So the whole time I'm thinking the camera was charging and it wasn't. So it was dead. I didn't have my extra batteries with me. I didn't have a different power bank with me. So I just kept it on the charger the whole time, trying to get some juice to it, but it never charged up. So like I said, that red light was on, like it was charging. I don't know, man. I gotta figure that out. Figure that out later, but I got y'all a little footage, and I'm gonna show y'all what I came home with, what I'm coming home with. I'm on my way home now. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and go from there. So stay tuned, man. I'm gonna show y'all the catch of the day. All right. All right, y'all. Let's see how many I got now. Let's see how many I grabbed, because I sure didn't count when I was out there. So let's get the count. Let's see what your boy did. All right, y'all. Let's get to it. Go 1. Go 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Okay. What did I say? 14? 15? And I got a couple of stripers I can't. Well, yellow bands, my bad. That's 1 yellow. That's 2. And then I kept this 1 little bluegill. That's all crappie right there, boy. What I say, 15? 15 crappie? Woo! Make sure ain't no up under here. Woo, yes, sir. I did pretty good today, y'all. Let's go. I said 15, right? Or did I lose the count? 15 crappie, 2 yellow bass, 1 bluegill. But I caught more bluegill than that. But they was all small. Let's go, y'all. I'm about to clean these up. Call it a night. Might fry some tomorrow. What?
Tomorrow.
Yo, just got out the truck, man. It's a new day. We're gonna get to this fish, man. I'm about to cook this fish. I had it in this bowl in the refrigerator, but it's about to go down right now. I'm not gonna fry though. I'm gonna do something a little different. Um, I think I got some blackened seasoning in here. Yep, I got this here right here. Cajun Choice blackened season. I'm just gonna put this on there and see how it come out. Just put a little bit of butter and some olive oil in the pan and see what it do. My wife made some chicken noodles and some green beans. I'm gonna pair it with that. I'm gonna eat that as well. But go ahead and get this fish cooking, man. Let y'all see the seasoning and how I'm getting down. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'm about to season this up with this blackened season. I don't want to go too heavy on it because you can over season some fish real quick. I'm gonna put a little bit onion powder on there. Got a little bit of this here, onion powder. I'll throw on there. And I'm gonna flip it. Ooh, I got some garlic powder. It looks like I do. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of garlic powder on there. I'm gonna flip my meat. And I'm gonna do it again on the other side. But I don't wanna make it too salty, you know what I'm saying? Because fish can get salty real fast, boy. Throw a little bit of blacking on this side. That's all I need right there. That should be plenty right there, y'all. A little bit of this onion powder I'm dusting it off with. Hit that onion powder on there. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit of that garlic on here, y'all. Boom, boom, boom. That's it for the seasoning. That's all I'm going to do. Now, let's get to the next part. All right, y'all. I'm about to put some of this olive oil down in there. Let that get on down in there. Oh, yeah, that should be good. Put a little more. I think that might be enough. Look at that. That's because the pan was already hot. Then I'm going to put some of this butter in there with the olive oil. I'm going to throw some of that in there, too. Woo! Maybe that was a bad idea. I don't know. Maybe that was a bad idea, y'all. I did it, though. I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't no chef or nothing. I ain't no chef or nothing. But I'm sure going to try to make this fish taste good tonight. You know what I'm saying? I just see people online doing it with the butter and the olive oil, mixing them together. Check it out. That's what I'm going to do. Get that all around in there. Now I'm about to just go on. I'm just about to go on here and just throw my fish on in there right now. Throw my fish on in there. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Throw my fish on down up in there. You see crappie strip. I think I got a yellow bass in here too. Make some room, y'all. Make some room, people. Make some room. Look, trying to make some room. I'm gonna put them all in there. Look, I'm telling y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm no chef. I'm just trying to make something taste good for the night. And we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna let that cook. See y'all in a minute. I don't know. All right, y'all, it's coming along. Coming along. Blacking season and doing what it do. I don't know. I ain't never tried it like this. But it's looking good so far. Kind of falling apart, some of them, but it don't matter. I can still go down the same way. Finished product, man. I hope it's all the way done. It look good to me, but I got a plate in the microwave right there. I'm about to add this to it, and we're gonna see what it tastes like. That's my plate right there. Chicken and noodles my wife made, green beans my wife made, and the fish that I caught, cleaned, and I cooked up myself with that Cajun style. What is it called? Cajun choice blackened seasoning right here, man. If y'all want to get y'all some of that, go get y'all some of that. It's pretty good. I had it on some chicken. And I'm about to taste this right here. Looking good, man. Ah, man. Taste this chicken noodles. She done whipped up. Damn. Them chicken noodles is a fire. She told me it was good, too, on the phone. She was not lying. She need to make this boy off. She was not lying. She told me, boy. She said, these chicken noodles is fire. I don't know. She had some recipe. I don't know. She ain't never made these. Chicken and noodles. Damn. That chicken noodle was busting. She need to tell y'all what that recipe is. Fish. All the time. Hey, that chicken noodles is busting. Chicken noodles is busting. This fish, this blackened season on this fish is fire too.
Smell like blackened season too.
Mmm. Blackened season fire. Come here, boy. Say what's up.
What's up?
What's up? Right here, girl. You say. Nope, you can't listen. Say what's up.
What's up?
Watch out, boy. My plate right there. You trying to don't knock my plate down, trying to look in the camera. You want to see in the camera too? Say what's up.
What's up?
You want to see in the camera too?
I'm looking crazy.
You looking crazy.
What's up?
You looking. Boy, it's fire though. The chicken noodles. I don't know where you got that recipe from, but it's fire.
She got it off YouTube.
For real. You didn't make that again.
Yeah, she sure do.
Ain't it fire though?
Her and Michael had 2 plates. Boy, the only one didn't like it.
You ain't eat none?
He had that little bitty bowl, and I gave him a spoonful. I was like, I'm gonna give you a little bit because I don't think you
Boy,
gonna mess with it.
you tripping.
He ate a couple bites. He was like, I'm
They
done.
tripping. These chicken noodles is fire.
Milo, give me a
I'm out, man.